It's a day in the life of dalawang tamad na tao. No?
Hey guys, good morning. So today is Saturday. I think it's around 6:35. Gumising tayo ng maaga para magpa-car wash. Alam niyo naman pag weekend, sobrang daming nagpapa-car wash. So usually, tinatry ko talagang gumising ng maaga para at least una ka sa pila, hindi maubos yung oras mo. Iniwan ko muna si Chai, so tulog pa siya. Siyempre, full week of work. Deserve naman niya matulog ng matagal. So ako lang muna magpapa-car wash today. Yeah, alis na tayo. Success tayo guys. So taon na tayo sa pila. Sarado pa yung car wash. So baka mga 10 minutes magbukas na. Pero yay. Dalawang order ng cheesy egg desal with sausage po.
With hash brown na po ba, sir?
Meron.
Dalawa po, no?
Yes po. Tapos yung drink, isang regular Coke Zero, iced coffee, vanilla na large.
Tama na po ba yung nasa screen, sir?
Apo, thank you.
1:30 na pala. Sabay lang kami. It's a day in the life of dalawang tamad na tao. No? Magdidilig lang ako ng mga halaman ko. Ayan. I have, yan. May monstera. Dalawang monstera. Ito masyado nang mahaba. Kailangan na siyang i-trim. Kaya lang, wala pa akong time. Ito, gusto ko tong plant na to. Shit, diba? And then may dalang kokedama. Kokedama. Yan. Binili ko yan sa IKEA tong tatlo. Init eh, sorry. Yung mukha ko talagang no. I-mist ko lang yung monstera. Tsaka lalagyan ng thieves. Thieves spray. Actually, ang dream ko, yung magkaroon ng maraming halaman dito sa condo namin. So nga magkaroon ng halaman dun sa CR, tsaka dito sa loob. Basta may vibe ako na gustong gawin dito sa condo. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo, siguro dito. Pa-edit na lang, ha? Pupunta kami ngayon sa San Juan to buy some plants. So, siguro kung napanood nyo to, comment na lang kayo kung ano kayang magandang halaman yung bilhin sa mga taong may busy yung lifestyle. Madaling alagaan, di madalis namatay. So yun, let me know. Comment lang kayo. So yun lang. Thank you! TikTok, 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 TikTok. Grabe, pababa. So steep. Pero, iniisip ko pa. Kasi, baka wala nang paglagyan. Hindi ko in-expect yung dami na nabili ko. Pero wala eh. Andito na din eh. Actually, mahal yung kokedama niya kasi yung bili ko sa IKEA, yung dalawang klase na nandito rin. 180 lang isa. Pero, wala na kasing stock nung heart leaf na kokedama dun sa IKEA. So, okay na din siguro. Yung cactus, matagal ko nang gusto yun. Hindi ko lang siya mabili before kasi wala kaming paglalagyan. Kumbaga yung ngayon na tinitira namin since may balcony siya, I'm free to place any plant I want. For as long as kaya niya yung init. Kasi yung unit namin, medyo maaraw siya pag may oras na maaraw siya, pero may oras na hindi rin naman, nasakto lang. So, ngayon, yun nga, tanong ko pa rin sa inyo kung merong pa kayong mga nakita dito sa hillside garden na gusto nyo na ipadagdag sa collection namin ng mga halaman. Let us know. Thank you.
I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
Silly me, thinking you and her could work things out. I'm a third wheel on this broken car. You're a mess, just wanna get out. Silly you, why is it so hard to be real? Speak the truth, say you're sorry, hear her out. You're too proud, like a child. You think time will tell and sort things out, but you know well as I, you never will if you don't. You never will if you don't. Let it sink into your mind. You